When we love something, we should pursue it, whether it's a job, hobby, or a business. This is one of the most important things you can do for yourself. It's also essential to have some financial buffer to follow your passion. There are a number of common misconceptions about passion and how it affects your ability to make money from it. Before you follow your passion, if you want to follow your passion but don't have the financial means to achieve it, you need to have a financial buffer. It might mean staying at your current job for a couple of years to save up enough money. However, this will allow you to pursue your passion and make it a business. The key to following your passion is to make sure you have enough money to sustain yourself for at least 5 months. This is called your passion bank. If you don't have this buffer, you're likely to fail. If you're naturally talented but lack the financial resources to sustain yourself, then you may not be able to pursue your passion. When you follow your passion, you'll be more creative and innovative. You'll be able to come up with more innovative ideas, be more productive, and enjoy your work. If you value money more than your passion, you'll be miserable. You'll be under pressure to earn money, which will only add to your stress level. Developing a strong connection to your passion. A lack of a strong connection to your passion can hinder your efforts to achieve your goals. A fixed mindset can make you dismiss interests that you consider challenging. Instead, you should find ways to expand your horizons and discover your passion. For example, you could write a future biography of yourself, which would highlight achievements that have excited you in the past. Once you have identified your passion, you can work towards achieving it. Passion can be a valuable asset, especially if you're good at it. Passionate people are more likely to persist and persevere with their business ventures, regardless of the obstacles they face. Passion is a powerful motivator, which can help you overcome difficult times and lead you to your goal of financial freedom. However, without strong boundaries, it can be difficult to make money from your passion. Having weak boundaries will limit your ability to speak your mind in business, which can result in a poor outcome. To develop a strong connection to your passion, you should become a powerful advocate and develop helpful relationships. Without these skills, you won't achieve your goals, whether they are personal or professional. Make money while pursuing your passion. Finding a way to make money pursuing passion is a challenging endeavor. Typically, we end up stuck in careers that don't provide us with enough income to live on. We spend the majority of our waking hours working, but our passion only serves us after work. Fortunately, there are several ways to earn money from your passion. One option is to start a small business. For example, if you like cooking, you can start a restaurant. You could be a mentor for other new businesses, or you could even help people with menu design. The key to generating profits is finding a way to monetize your passion. You can also pursue a full-time job or a freelancing job to fund your passion. However, it is crucial to make sure you do not become overly dependent on your new income. It is also important to find a way to save up money as you pursue your passion. Common misconceptions about passion. Most people think passion is a specific action, but passion is an evolving process. It usually begins as a spark of curiosity. As a result, you might read a book, join a club, or take up a new interest. Eventually, your passion will develop into a full-blown obsession. This is why it is crucial to explore your interests and give yourself permission to do so. When people pursue their passion, they often speak of a sense of fulfillment. This sense of fulfillment does not come from material rewards, but from an inner sense of meaning and purpose. Passion is rarely based on external rewards, but instead on the realization that you are building something of value, making an impact, and finding richness along the way. Despite the importance of following your passion, it is important to develop a plan. You should analyze the skills required and learn as much as possible about your niche and target market. It is also wise to seek out help from knowledgeable individuals and experts. Although passion is necessary for success, it is no guarantee of success. Therefore, you must be prepared for the long road ahead.